I want to thank all the show participants. There's nothing but classic cars out there and newer cars. Everyone's vehicle is just awesome. I appreciate everyone coming. Once again, it's Armed Forces Day, so I tip the hat to all the folks who have served. I also want to thank everyone for serving in police, EMS, first responders. I'm going to read these off. These are People's Choice Awards. There's no special first one got the most votes. They're just the names, okay? You all voted on it, and this is how your votes you got. So if I mess your name up, I apologize in advance. The first one is car number 23. John Alexander is a 67 Chevy C10 Pro Street. The next one is car number 20, Vince Navarro, a 2010 Chevy C6. Oh yeah, you get a picture too, and you'll be on the internet in about an hour. All right, the next is car 19, Bob Manell, a 2013 Chevy Grand Sport Coupe. I thank Julie, she's our club secretary, for handling these trophies. Next one is Mike. It's entry 15, Mike Schlitzkos, a 43 Ford GPWG. Mike, are you here? I apologize for butchering it. How do you say it? Schlitzkos?
Schlitzkos, yeah. It's like Schlitz beer.
How's it? Schlitzkos. Yeah, that's it, right there. All right, next one is car 12, Nathan Cranston, a 25 Chevy E-Ray convertible. Come on now, you guys have seen a couple of people. You know how to turn for your picture. Let's go. Next one is car 6. John C. Thibodeau, a 55 Bel John? Next one is car 29, or vehicle 29, Brian Siskowski, a 66 Chevy C2. Next is car 31, James Breyer, 57 Chevy Bel Air 2-door. Next is car 37, Jim Huggins, a 71 Dodge Challenger RT. All right, come on in, folks. We'll wait on you. All right, the next one is car 45, U. Dale Bell, 23 Chevy Stingray. Up next is car 47, Brad Strine, a 69 Chevy C10. You hear Brad? Brad? Yep. We'll come back around.
The next one says
Number 48, Hudson Strine, also a 67 Chevy Chevelle. Hudson, are they both here? Hudson and Brad, you guys here? They took off? Okay. Next is number 67, Woody Gates, a 2009 Chevy ZR1. Number 61, Earl Walker, a 30 Ford Coupe. It's a long way up here. Next is car 51, Paul Gamlin, a 2021 Ford Shelby GT 500. Next up is number 100, Paul Welsh, a 67 Ford F100. It's a what? All right, number 22, Mike Silva, an 80 Chevy truck. Mike Silva here? He's coming? He's way back there.
Hurry up, Mike. Wait now.
Next is car 24, Marvin Garrett, a 67 Chevy Nova. Next up is number 44, Joe Kelly, a 63 Chevy Nova SS convertible. Next up is number 33, Kenny Allison, a 57 Chevy Bel Air. Is Kenny coming up? Here he goes. Huh?
He's sending his grandson.
Oh, he's sending his representative up. This nice young man volunteered to sell 50-50 tickets for it today. Next up, number 30, Gary Groschke, 70 Chevy Chevelle SS. Gary, there you go. Next up is number 90, Ron Crocker, 65 Backdraft Cobra. Next up is number 21, Ronnie Woodall, 55 Chevy Bel Air. Next up is number car. It's a truck. 85, Craig Fisher, 49 Ford F-150. Next up, number 59. Jerry Lassiter, a 72 Ford Trino. Okay. Thomas Baird, a 65 Pontiac GTO.
We might ask if anybody's in their club or knows them, they could take it.
Yeah, which two guys? Yeah. Number 26 is Austin Russell, a 69 Ford Cobra. The last one that we have is Best in Show. And I want to once again thank you all. The theme this year was the armed forces. That's why we have the flag and the eagle and that kind of thing. And I want to, once again, everyone, thank you for helping and putting this show on. So we'll have the Best in Show, and then we'll have the 50-50. So the Best in Show, 2025 Sam Houston Open Show is car 35, a 55 Chevy Nomad. They didn't write his name down. Donnie Kelly. Donnie Kelly. Here he comes. Congratulations on the Best in Show.